Nathan Tran with CCB Innovations. We're going to talk about the different ways our RMAS switch assembly installs in the Airstream. Our system is pre-mounted on HVAC couplings. It ships exactly like this, ready to be installed. There's no job site assembly, and it installs into the exhaust stream, not the actual hood. It's not pressure based or electrical current based, so it's going to function the same on any hood that we install it with. So sometimes it takes a little while for the damper to open because of the low voltage wiring, but you can see the damper is opening. This is the standard vertical installation. Our switch assembly also has the ability to bisect the ducting almost any point. Because our system relies on the movement of air to activate the switch, anywhere there's airflow, our switch will function properly. It's very easy to install. Installs the same way regardless of where you put it in the ducting. Just bisects the exhaust stream, sends a signal to the damper, opens the damper, lets fresh air back into the house. Okay, now we're going to get into some variations. If you had a horizontal exhaust stream and needed to go straight out the back, again, our switch assembly installs the same way. It's just in the Airstream. It sends a signal to the damper is opening. When your exhaust hood is turned off, it returns back to the closed position. Another application is if you had a downdraft situation. And so you can see what we're doing here is we're actually turning the switch assembly upside down, so it's completely inverted in the exhaust stream. And the fresh air damper is opening. Again, the switch assembly is shipped complete. There's no job site assembly necessary. Just a little bit of wiring. We also have available our EL series. Our EL series is a switch mounted on an adjustable 90-degree elbow. This is for the very, very tight installs, maybe straight out the back, or if you have a few bends in your exhaust stream. We have these available in a 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch version. Send a signal to the damper, open, and so that's how our RMAS switch assembly works. It's very easy to install at every job site, repeatable from job site to job site. No on-site assembly required. It's very, very durable. It's pre-mounted on HVAC couplings or an adjustable collar and ready to be installed. It's very quick, easy, and can be a time-saving tool for any contractor on the job site. Thank you for watching. Check us out at www.ccbinnovations.com or follow us on Twitter at CCB Innovations. Thank you.